This is a yellow line train.
Hi everyone, we're on board on the start of our next big adventure. I thought I'd have somebody special introduce this video so you can see what we're up to and where we're going.
Grandma, it's so good to see you. So, when are you leaving?
You mean for our trip?
Yeah.
Well, our flight is tomorrow evening about 7 o'clock.
Are you going to other countries?
Well, the first day tomorrow, we fly to France, to Paris. But that's not where we're going for the first. We're going to the Canary Islands. We're going to fly from Paris the next day to the Canary Islands.
How long will it take?
Oh, I should have said too. The Canary Islands aren't really a country. They're a part of Spain, but they're off the coast of Africa. So it should be warm there. You mean how long will the flight take?
Yeah.
The first flight takes about 10 hours, and then we spend the night in Paris, and the second flight takes about 4 or 5 hours, I think.
How long will you be gone?
Well, in total, we'll be gone 10 weeks. It's our longest trip ever.
Are you taking anyone with you?
I'm taking Grandpa Duke. And what about...
you know you can talk, right?
I can't talk?
Yes.
Oh, boys.
Yes.
I'm going to. I'm excited.
Okay.
Oh, I meant to ask you. So it seems odd that there are groceries behind us. Why are there groceries behind us?
Because we're getting our kitchen remodeled.
Ooh, exciting. Will it be done when we get back?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so excited. But I'm more excited to see you when I get back.
I hope you'll have a nice trip and I'll miss you.
Oh, I'll miss you too. Oh, wait a minute. Grandpa wants to ask something else.
Talk?
Will you miss anyone besides Grandma?
I'll also miss you.
Oh, okay.
Of course.
He's funny sometimes. Have you noticed that? All right. Well, maybe we'll do an interview when we get back and she can tell us all about what happened while we were gone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Christopher. Bye-bye, Maddie. Bye-bye, Ellie. Bye. Thank you. Bye. So it's 5:30 a.m. and we're getting ready to leave for Fuerteventura at Orly Airport. That's our hotel, the Novotel. Very easy to walk to. You can see there the bridge over to the hotel.
Over to the airport.
Yes, thank you. Over to the airport. Shall we go?
Oui, c'est ça, oui, c'est bon. Non, non, c'est bon, l'autre, ouais.
Le chocolat aussi? Petit aussi?
This is our hotel in the Melia on Fuerteventura. The bathroom. Very nice. Beautiful beach and pool out here. Looks like we're going to have a beautiful day on our first morning in Fuerteventura. Can't quite see the sun over there, but it's coming up. Might have to try this pool. It's a saltwater pool. After breakfast, we took the car and went out for a drive. We drove south along the coast and stopped in the town of Morohable to take a walk. Then we continued our drive south along the coast. So this is the dinner buffet at the Melia. I'm going to just give you a quick walkthrough. It's our second morning in Fuerteventura. It's very windy, but that must be good weather for kite surfing because you can just see there's some kite surfers there. And a lot down there, you can just barely see them. It's not cold though, it's very pleasant out. We're thinking we will go swimming later. We're off. We're flying today to the island of El Hierro, leaving Fuerteventura. Duke just pulled up with the car to load our bags. So it's windy and very pleasant out today. Looking forward to seeing a new island and a new Parador for us too. This is our first of two planes. This one's to Tenerife. They changed our seats in order to balance the plane. Hola, buenos días. We're in Tenerife, changing planes, going to El Hierro. Our plane's in a couple hours. All right, we're in the Parador on El Hierro, our first Parador of the trip. There's the bathroom. And how about that for a view out there? Oh, gorgeous, isn't it?
Very nice, you know.
Yes, it's the end of the road. The island is has a small population. You said about 9,000?
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful morning and a beautiful view here as the sun rises outside our window. So today we're going to explore El Hierro. So we're in our first morning in El Hierro, and we decided to drive to the absolute end of the road from the Parador. It's going to be a mile total. A really nice view up here, and there's a few houses. Duke's turning around. Those white chimneys down there, I believe, are the Parador. We're in Valverde, going to the tourist office. That was the wrong place?
Wrong place. See this sign here?
It says Betania? Oh, the eye. Ah, yeah, that would make sense. Buenos dias.
¿Qué informes tienen por la isla? ¿Tienen un mapa?
Mapa, sí.
No?
That's the native people.
Ah. Oh, an art festival kind of thing? Yeah. So we're at the supermarket to get some water and some beer and maybe a few snacks. I think supermarkets are always kind of cool and interesting anyway. Look at all the frozen seafood. And look at those little squid, seafood mixture, bigger squid. I think that's even bigger squid. Lots of squid. So how does this work?
This is their sustainable, what do you call it?
Energy.
Energy. Yeah, so they have wind and solar. There's the turbines. And when they have a lot of wind, sun, then they pump water up into this volcanic crater. That's the red line.
Okay.
And then when they need energy and they don't have wind or solar, they let it down the blue line to the hydroelectric plant and then let it out into this, ready to be pumped back up at a future time.
Oh, we drove by that yesterday. Yeah.
This is the diesel generators. And
You read someplace, didn't you, that they're
Yeah,
almost totally sustainable?
almost totally renewable energy. They went recently, I think within the last year, they went 3 months without firing up the diesel generators.
Wow.
So that's the longest they've gone without the backup. But generally, in total, they're 80-90%.
So now we've stopped at the caldera that they pumped the water up to. Next, we decided to go for a hike.
What is it, 20-mile hike we're doing?
We have all sorts of choices here. We have a short, midway, and long. Its difficulty is slender, and it is also optimal for children and elders. That's us.
Uh-huh.
And we're right up here, right now. See?
Okay.
Okay,
All
here we
right.
go. Vámonos.
Vámonos. Let's go. Just wait for you.
This is a crater created by a volcano, volcanic eruption. kind of cool, huh? Oh, it's a lot hazier over here.
Boy, it's steep, isn't it?
Yeah,
A long ways there.
it really is. Wow. It's our last day on El Hierro. We're stopped at an overlooking the ferry harbor. We're just gonna go out exploring today. This roadside sculpture's just on the way into town. Sign says it's all made from like old cars and appliances and stuff. Yeah. Lighthouse at the extreme west end of the island.
It says it's the point farthest west of
World.
it's crossed out.
Where are you going? Yeah. After visiting the lighthouse, we hiked out to the Meridian Zero Monument. And it's the farthest west we can go in Spain.
Lots of maps.
My watch says it was 0.8 of a mile. Should we head back to the car? We're at the airport in El Hierro. Nice airport. Look at that play structure. We just turned in the car, checked our bags, and our plane's not for about an hour, I guess. We're gonna fly to Gran Canaria. I like these chairs. Are you comfortable?
Yeah, I'm very comfortable.
That's not our plane though, right?
No, but it's probably
Similar?
similar.
facing backwards this time. Have you ever ridden backwards on an airplane before? Not exactly, but that's close enough. Okay, now we're in Gran Canaria. This is where we're staying, the Casa Royal Resort. I don't think that's right, but I'll tell you what it is exactly later. So we checked in and they offered us a drink, so we're going to sit down and have a drink. And this is our room at Casa Leon Royal Resort. I've got the name right this time?
Yeah, you got it. Perfect.
Just lovely. I'll have to figure out how to open the door, but perfect. We rested a while, then decided to take a hike. We drove a few miles inland, parked in the town of Canaries, and walked to the dam and reservoir that are nearby.
Good?
Yep. We're in Gran Canaria Airport for our flight to Marrakesh, Morocco. It's a beautiful morning. I guess we're the first people in the boarding area. Hi everybody. It's hard to believe, but we left the Canary Islands just a week ago today. We're in Morocco now, but I thought we'd give just a quick summary of what we thought of the Canary Islands and how we enjoyed them. How would you summarize each of the islands?
Well, the first one, Fuerteventura, they're all very different,
Very different.
even though they're close together. But that one has huge resorts. It's very dry, beautiful beaches. It was fine for getting over the jet lag and just
Right.
eating
Very
pretty
interesting,
well.
I thought.
and-
Yeah. Yeah.
But we're not really resort people, so
Yep. Right.
it was okay. But
Right.
unless you're into that, I wouldn't
Yeah.
say it's the prettiest island.
No. And then El Hierro was the next one. El Hierro.
El Hierro, and that one is totally different. It's got more vegetation, and it's the farthest west island, and it doesn't have any resorts on it. It only has 11,000 population on the whole island, and their building code, I mean, they don't want big resorts. They don't,
So it's
you
very
couldn't build one.
peaceful. Very peaceful, and it has an extensive network of hiking trails, which is really cool. I
Right.
thought.
So, and we went to the Parador there, and it was a nice place on the ocean, not a beach. I mean,
Yeah.
rocky beach, I guess, but not,
Yep, yep. And then the last one was Gran Canaria, which
Right.
we've now been to 6 of the 7 Canary Islands, and
Right.
3 on
the major
another
islands,
trip.
yeah.
And we were in Gran Canaria before, but that's what we flew out of. So what would you say about Gran Canaria?
Well, we didn't really do a whole lot, but it is the one we've been to twice. The first time we were there during Carnival, and it was, well, we were in a couple islands during Carnival, but that was the one we really enjoyed.
That was fantastic,
Carnival.
yeah. But it's the most populous. It also has beautiful beaches, I think. But
Yeah, maybe.
no,
I don't.
we didn't
I don't
visit-
even
we didn't
know.
even
Yeah,
see
it
it.
does.
Yeah.
It does. There's parts of the island that have nice beaches, but if you're there for Carnival, that's a treat.
And it was fun to explore last time we were there, and fun this time too. We just saw different stuff.
Right.
So anyway, I think we didn't see. I don't know if we saw any other Americans while we were there. It'd be a great place to visit. Lots of.
Lots of Europeans, but not
Yeah,
Americans.
yeah. So as I say, we're in the Morocco now, and we'll be posting that video next. But if you want to go to the Canaries, I can definitely recommend them. So,
Very nice.
Bye,
Yeah.
everybody. Thanks.